This one's going to be interesting. It's Toasties. I have a cheese and ham toastie and a barbecue chicken toastie from Tesco's, both frozen. I'm more curious than anything to see, what is this? Let's open one of them up. Let's open the box. It's literally a sandwich. It is literally a sandwich in a packet. Okay, let's open it up to see what's inside of it. Oh. Ew. That doesn't look very nice. How do we even heat this thing? I'm going to try it. Anyway, where are you? Heat. Microwave for 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Oh, we heat for 1 minute 10 seconds. Turn it over. Alright, we're going to go and heat both sandwiches. I'm going to check this one out as well. This one I have more hope for being nice, actually, to be fair. I would much prefer to see a cheese and ham toastie, but I noticed the barbecue chicken, which I didn't notice it had onion on it before until after I bought it. And peppers, I'm not a big fan. It's literally just a slice of really low... The fuck is that? That cheese on both sides? I don't know, but let's put them together and go and heat them. Back in a minute. First off, the other half of the sandwich for the cheese one was covered with cheese sauce. And second of all, do you want to play spot the difference? There's a picture on the box. That's what it looks like. Box. Looks like. Box. Looks like. It's not even got chunks of chicken in it. Okay, let's try the barbecue one, which I suspect is going to be horrible. It's actually barbecue sauce and pepper. Is there actually any chicken in it? Yeah, a little chunk of chicken. That's awful. That one is terrible. Here's the one I'm actually really wanting to try. That's nice. Literally tastes like a cheese and ham toastie. You get a little bit of cheese sauce, a little bit of ham, a bit of cheese. It's really crispy. As you can tell, nice and toasty because of this foil thing. I actually made it more toasty. Yeah. For a cheese and ham toastie that you can't be asked to make, I actually recommend the Tesco one. The barbecue chicken melt, I don't know what that's about, but you can buy Tesco's bread for £1 and chicken and barbecue sauce for another couple of quid. I recommend making a goddamn barbecue chicken melt sandwich. You are awful. Awful. Get off my plate. You're not even worthy of a plate anymore. But yeah, it's actually not a bad toasted sandwich, to be fair. I do hope you enjoyed this. If you have, please give this video a like. Please support me on Patreon. Link in the description below. Subscribe to more content, and I'll catch you later. Bye.